Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to share this view that I had taken while I was taking my walk on Sunday morning. I thought this was so beautiful and nice to look at, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Also wanted to share some of my weekend activities with the girls with you guys. We had a lot of fun going to a new park in our area. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm bringing you more cleaning motivation. I was out in my yard doing some landscaping, putting out some fresh mulch. I shared that with you for a little inspiration in your landscaping. I also am sharing some motivation for inside the home, as always. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope it motivates you to do the same in your home. And if you enjoy the content and you like what you see, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe.